Hello guys and welcome to our channel. Today I'll show you how to record the screen on your Microsoft Surface Laptop 5. First, press the Windows key plus G to open Xbox Game Bar. Now, as you can see, we got the capture widget right here. And if you don't see it, then click on to a widget menu and click it. Now, if you want to start recording, simply click record button and wait a couple of seconds. As you see, it's recording now and it records everything I do, including the moving my cursor. Now, if we stop recording and head into videos folder and then captures, we can replay our video. Everything we did. As you can see, moving the cursor. Yeah, and it works. If you enjoyed the tutorial, please like, subscribe, and see you in the next one.